Hi, I'm Stu. I'm a bit of a DIY guy. And yeah, I put together this e-bike for my fiancée, Jenna. She was having a long commute to work. You know, it was taking her 45 minutes on the bus. And also there's a bit of a challenge in kind of making it yourself.
When Stu said that he was going to build me a bike, I kind of knew it was a bit more for him than me initially, but the electric bikes soon became very attractive. I definitely wanted a basket and that it had the lady frame.
Now that she's on the bike, it takes her sort of 5 to 7 minutes.
It's so nice to ride, it's really fast, and I think people just think I'm riding a normal push bike and then they see me go up a hill and they go past the men in lycra.
And so the project took me about 6 months. You know, a lot of mistakes made on the way. Battery pack design here, it's a complete failure. I had to remove all of the sort of nasty, complicated circuitry. Once I got that all kind of working nicely, we had to put the batteries into the frame of the bike. Yeah, and so these batteries are lithium-ion batteries that have been recycled. The controller, so this interfaces between the battery pack and the motor. Coming up here, up on the top, is just a wee charging port. And here is your display, and that tells you how fast you're going, whether the power is being engaged or not. So what happens is when you use the brake, power gets fed from the motor back into the batteries. If I knew what I knew now, it would probably only take me a week. I feel like the fact I was an electronics engineer actually slowed down the project more than anything because I completely overcomplicated everything. Yeah, so my next project will be to make my own electric bike. Now that Jenna's got one, I really struggled to keep up with her on my push bike. Yeah, keep up again, great.
Love, I ain't ever giving it up. I'm feeling something electric.